Let's go to Bloomberg's Equities reporter, Stephanie Hughes. She joins us now to talk some more about what's been going on. Stephanie, MDA Space, which has dragged since the fall of last year. What happened today?
So today, actually, it's a bit of a turnaround story for MDA Space. Those shares gained by nearly 9% at their highest point, which was enough to bring the stock price to its highest level since last October. That's because the satellite developer, also the company behind the Canada arm, which is always an interesting little factoid, but the satellite developer today has been chosen by the U.S. Missile Defense Agency for its SHIELD program. That's part of Donald Trump. His administration's Golden Dome defense initiative. The company said that this gives them the ability to bid on future tasks and services that gives them, to support the country's ever-expanding defense program. So this is another move. I should also add that this allows them to give indefinite deliveries and quantities of their satellite services. This is another fairly recent move by MDA Space into the defense sector. They've definitely had a few defense contracts with the U.S. and Canada before, and also had a defense contract with the Trump administration during his first administration back in 2017. But early last month, the Canadian government tapped MDA Space to build out a military satellite network for the Canadian Armed Forces. So that helped boost shares by 4% when that was announced. So I had a chance to actually speak with the CEO, Mike Greenlee, earlier today, and he was talking about how geopolitics has really emerged as a really important topic over the past year, and that is causing countries to really ramp up their defense spending, or at least get really into the conversation around defense. So the stock has been regaining some ground since late October when a media report was speculating that SpaceX was interested in buying Globalstar. It also plunged in September when EchoStar canceled its constellation contract with MDA Space. But the defense industry is providing more of a soft spot for MDA Space, and you can really see that with the share price reaction today. You could even say it's out of this world.
I was waiting for something along those lines. All right, what's going on with silver today?
Yeah, silver, it's similar to yesterday's story where I'm going to look at Discovery Silver specifically. Those shares fell by nearly 7% today, tumbling by the most in nearly a month as silver prices fell for a second day in a row. The white metal fell by over 5% today, just adding on to a 4% drop yesterday, as investors are really positioning for an annual rebalancing of commodity indices, and they're expected to sell off futures contracts worth billions of dollars. So you're already seeing the outflows from silver-backed ETFs, and it's really punishing some of the silver miners that pulled this white metal out of the ground. And that's why we're seeing TSX-listed precious metals miners, including Discovery Silver, which I'm talking about today, and other names like Endeavor Silver, Vizsla Silver, and many other names. So silver in the red today, Morella.
All right, Bloomberg, Stephanie Hughes, appreciate that. Thanks for your time.